Here we have Spyderco's Native 5. This one is in CPM S30V and it has the black G10 and is with the Lockback multi-positional pocket clip. You can put it in any of the 4 positions and just a great little knife. You get almost enough handle this way for a big hand, and then with the finger choil here, you really get enough to be able to choke up on it, really do some delicate or precise work, and then you can bring it back for bigger stuff that you don't need to choke up quite as much on. If you don't know about the Spydercos with the Lockback, you can do the Spidey flick with them, but you got to do it really hard. The major issue is that this lock runs along the rim of this blade the whole time. So you can do it, but you really got to give it some goose and get it out there. And then it is either 2-hand close or 1-hand with a surface. You can't really 1-hand close it. I've seen it done. It's just a little precarious. So that is Spyderco's Native 5 in black G10. Take a look at it on the website. All the current pricing and sizing information is there. Thanks for watching.